What's up guys, Kuya Vinci here, and for today's video, we will talk about finger multiplication. So, Kuya Vinci, ano nga ba itong finger multiplication? Itong finger multiplication ay isang technique na maaari ninyong gamitin para mas mapadali ang inyong pagsosolve ng mga basic multiplication problems. We only have to remember one thing, so, and we only need one thing. So, the only requirement is our hands, our fingers, ayan. And then, all we have to remember is, these fingers, they represent numbers. So, for the pinky fingers, they represent 6. For the ring fingers, they represent 7. And then for the middle fingers, they represent 8. And for the index fingers, they represent 9. So, without further ado, let's start with the first example. So, 7 times 7. So, we have 6 and 7. So, this is the fingers for 7. So, all we have to do is first connect them like that. Connect them like that. And then, second, we have to count the connected fingers and the fingers beneath them as 10 each finger. Okay? So, 10, 20, 30, 40. So, we have 40. And then, at the top of the connected fingers, we have to count each finger as 1. So for the left hand, we have 1, 2, 3. So that is 3. And for the right hand, we have 1, 2, 3. Another 3. So what we will do next is multiply. So 3 times 3 is 9. So all we have to do is just multiply the values of the fingers above the connected fingers. Alright, so 3 times 3 is 9. And then last, we have to add the values. So for the connected fingers and under the connected fingers, we have the value of 40. And then for the fingers above, we have 9. So 40 plus 9 is 49. So which is true because 7 times 7 is 49. Now, I want you guys to do it with me so you can experience it for yourself. So, next example is 8 times 8, okay? Let's do this together, guys. So, we have the pinky fingers as 6, ring fingers as 7, middle fingers as 8. Okay, so what we have to do is connect the fingers that represents the given value, so which is 8. So we have to connect that. And then, let's count the connected fingers and the fingers under the connected fingers. 10 each. Okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we have 60 already. And then, second step, we have to count the fingers above the connected fingers. One each finger. Okay? So for the left hand, we have 1, 2. Then for the right hand, we have 1, 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And last, we have to add 60 plus 4 is 64. Therefore, 8 times 8 is 64. So, nakukuha nyo ba guys? I hope na nakakasabay kayo. And if so, hirapan natin ng onte. Siguro yung iba sa inyo nagtatanong, Kuya Vinci, what if hindi magkapareho yung number? Siyempre, meron din tayong technique para dyan. Example, lakihan natin ang onte. 9 times 8. Yan. So, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, index finger for 9 and then 8. So, 6, 7, 8. So, we will connect the left index finger to the right middle finger. So, first step ulit, we have to count the connected fingers and the fingers beneath them or under them as 10 each. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So, 70. We already have 70. And second, we have to count the fingers above the connected fingers, 1 each. So, for the left hand, we have 1. For the right hand, we have 1 and 2. So, next step is multiply. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. And then last step will be addition. So 70 plus 2 is 72. Therefore, 9 times 8 is 72. Gets nyo ba guys? And if yes, ay maganda yan dahil natututo na tayo. Then, for the last example, I want you guys to do this again with me, which is a little harder, so you guys can experience it too and learn how to do it properly. So, our next example will be 6, which is our pinky finger for the left hand, and then 6 times 7, which is our ring finger for the right hand. So 6 times 7, we will connect our left pinky finger to our right ring finger. So, first step, again, we have to count the connected fingers and the finger under them as 10 each. So, 10, 20, 30. So, we already have 30. Then second, we have to count the fingers above the connected fingers as 1 each and then multiply to each other. So, for the left hand, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times to the right hand, which is 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. So last will be to add the values. So for the connected fingers and the finger under it, we have 30. And for the fingers above, we have 12. So 30 plus 12 will be 42. Therefore, 6 times 7 is 42. So that's it guys for the finger multiplication. I hope you guys learned something, and also I hope you guys have fun or had fun while watching this video. See you guys next time.